Good morning to all my dear little angel. How are you all? Hope you all are safe in your home. Okay, happy to hear that. So students, welcome to our e-learning EVS class. Okay, so listen children, what all are the things we learned in our last class? Did you remember that one? Okay, then say together what all are the things we learned children? Yes, of course, we learned about living and non-living things, right? So let's recap our lesson one more time. Okay, fine. So say together what are the differences between living and non-living? What all are the things we learned? I need to check that. So all should have to say together. Living thing, they can breathe, right? Living thing can breathe. What about non-living thing children? They cannot breathe, right? So we can write non-living thing cannot breathe, right? And living thing can grow, right? Living thing can grow. Then what about non-living thing children? They cannot grow. It's still same as like this, okay, right? So we can write here non-living thing cannot grow, okay? Then living thing can move from one place to another place, okay? But non-living thing, they cannot move, okay? So here we can write living thing can move. Non-living things, they cannot move, okay? So students, this much we learned in our last class, right? All are studied nicely. That's why I can hear your sound when I'm writing here. You all are saying properly. Very good children. So, in this class, I'm going to teach you about another difference between living and non-living. Let's check, okay? Students, when I pinch this non-living thing, what happened? It's not crying, right? But when I pinch myself, oof, feel very pain. That means what children? Living thing can feel. Living things have some emotion, like maybe cry or sad or happy, like that. But non-living thing, there is nothing happening. There is no reaction in non-living thing. There is no feel. Okay. So, from this we can understand living things can feel. But non-living things, they cannot feel. I feel very cold now. What happened to me? Because I have an ice cube in my hand. Okay. When I hold this ice cube, I feel very cold because I feel cold. That means I can feel it. Okay. So, living thing can feel. Same like when we touch a hot object. What will happen children? Oh, we feel hot, right? But when I pinch my doll, does it cry? No. Many others sound like, is it like that? No. So, from this we can understand this is non-living thing. Is it children? So, now we get one more different. What is that children? Yes, living thing can feel. But non-living thing, they cannot feel. Okay, understand? So, but I have one doubt children. What about our plants? Can they feel? Let's check. Okay, I will show one picture of a plant. It may be you can see near to your home. Okay, if it is there near to your home, just touch that plant. You can see that plant's leaves are folding. So my dear students, don't pluck leaves or flowers from a plant because it also has life. From that we can understand plants also have feeling. Okay, so that's why when we touch that plant, it is closing their leaves because the plants also have feeling. Okay, so children, from this we can understand living thing can feel. So all should have to draw the picture in your notebook neatly and write the answer. Like why leaves of this plant is closing. when we are touching. Okay, so all should have to write the answer in your notebook itself. Okay, draw the picture and write the reason. Okay, and write the name of plant in Malayalam word. Already you know that. Okay, its English word is touch me not plant, or we can say like that, mimosa plant. But you should write in your notebook Malayalam word of this plant. Clear? Students, this is an activity for you. All should have to do it in your notebook. So from this session, we can understand living thing can feel. Okay, and non-living thing cannot feel. When we are hurting anyone or any living thing, maybe they are crying or they can feel it. Okay, hence we should not hurt other human beings, plants or animals, whatever it is. Okay, children, because living thing can feel. All living things feel pain when they are hurt. Okay, children. So students, in today's class, we learned about one moral value also. What is that, children? We cannot hurt anyone because they have pain. That means they have feelings. Okay, so this is the moral value. Don't hurt any human beings or animals or plants. That means don't hurt any living things. Okay, children. So today's class we learned about living things can feel and non-living things they cannot feel. Okay, so all should have to read the chapter at least 3 times. And today's topic question for you, that is, what is the card I wrote on the board? Check the board and say the code within 1 hour in my personal WhatsApp, and we can meet in our next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.